Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Hope everyone had a safe 4th of July. Just doing a little follow-up video. In one of my recent videos, I actually put a set of FireCore plug wires on my truck. Well, those wires were free and they were for testing purposes only, for me to give my feedback. They actually were not even made for my truck. They were just kind of a test set. But anyway, these are for the 7.3 Godzilla. I really like the quality of them, the way they're made, put together. I believe them to be much better than the massive wires. Of course, OEM, is always really the best way to go. But if you're looking for something aftermarket and you're having problems with the OEM wires, FireCore is really nice. I'll open the box and show you guys how they look before I put them on. But like I say, these are for 7.3 gas, and these have the titanium sleeves on them. And so I really do like these guys. I went ahead and purchased a set from 5-Star Tuning. But anyway, it just comes with some instructions, sticker, of course your wires, dielectric grease. But fixing to put these on, so this will be my last update on this. I feel like I've kind of talked on this subject a little bit too much, but still wanting to help the guys out there that are wanting to change and they're not sure about what to get. I know there's not a bunch of stuff on the market yet, but like I say, these here, FireCore, make sure you get the titanium sleeves if you get them. That's like a $80 increase in price with the titanium sleeves. And also I have a 10% promo code. I'll leave the link in the description. 10% off your purchase at 5-Star Tuning. Like I say, I'll leave the link and the promo code in the description below. If you want to buy something for your car, truck, whatever it may be, hit those guys up. I appreciate you guys watching. More content coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.